Hello everyone, my name is Yasin Çelik. I am founder of MAVIOS Aviation and Software Technology. I am an electrical engineer and entrepreneur for developing drone systems. Today, I would like to introduce our innovative project that represents the future of the drone operations, MAVIOS Nest. MAVIOS Nest is a smart control and charge station developed for rotary wings. With this project, drones can land, recharging their batteries and get ready for their next missions fully autonomously without any human effect. Today, we use drone systems just average 30 minutes without any human because we have to control and charge batteries after flight. In this project, we use solar panel energy to use MAVIOS Nest independently of the grid. It integrated AI-powered mission planning, real-time monitoring, data analysis, and battery management system. Our developed battery management system can protect batteries and show all of the cells' voltage levels. This technology, designed for critical fields such as security, forest fire detection, border surveillance, and disease response. We reduce human dependency while offering safer, faster, and more sustainable drone operation. With MAVIOS Nest, drones don't just fly, they become more intelligent, fully integrated within an autonomous system. We are building the future of aerial operations. Thanks for the watching.